Right then, so for my project I will be using a OSB sheet, as that's what I've got available in my garage, but obviously you can use any material you've got. All the cutlass will be available on my website and in the description down below. So let's get chopping, let's get that board cut to the right sizes. As all the boards are cut to the correct sizes, we'll give them a quick sand with grade 100 to get them ready to route out the grooves that will help us to assemble the whole box together. And now we're making a groove for the back panel to fit in. And now we'll route out the channel for the clipboard. And it's time to put everything together. And the back panel will be glued in. Just one thing before we proceed. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and leaving that like button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. But let's continue. And now it's time for the top panel. In the next step we need to sort out the clipboard, i.e. we need to cut out the middle where the paper with the target will actually go, so the pellets can go through. I'm going to pre-drill some holes in the corners. I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut out the middle. And now it's time to design a handle for the box. and it's time we attach the handle. And now it's time to apply the finish. I'm using the clear lacquer, gloss, 2 coats with light sanding in between. And there you have it, your very own pellet catcher. So how does it work? Obviously you've got your clipboard with a hole in the middle, your target, clip it like so. And there you go. Obviously inside add some rags, or you know, even a towel or anything to actually stop the pellet from hitting the back of the box, but you can be assured that it's actually not going to penetrate the box. In my example I've used 18mm OSB, so I'm pretty certain it's not going to go through that. But obviously, as I mentioned, make sure to fill the box with something to prevent the pellet from actually hitting the back of the box. So there you have it, a nice little project for anybody that's actually interested in air guns and shooting to targets. Perfect full solution, easy to make, really cheap to make as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me that like button down below, that would be much appreciated. And hopefully I'll see you next week on my next video and my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.